Hey guys, so today we are going to break down the best performing US stocks that are making consistent big dollar moves right now in the market. So if you're looking to catch on the hottest stocks to trade this week, then you're on the right channel. So traders, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. My name is Rekia, your trading coach, and on this channel I teach how to build wealth through trading and investing in the financial markets. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for weekly market insights and trading strategies. You can also like and share and help this video get at least 1000 likes. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, when it comes to day trading, it's all about catching quick moves and volatility, and choosing the right stocks is just half the battle. So last week, the market was generally bullish with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 hitting all-time highs, as well as other individual stocks. So this week, we are expecting the market to experience some pullbacks, which means that the prices of these stocks will come down. Usually when there are pullbacks, many get scared and discouraged, especially when they see the prices of their favorite stocks dropping. But these are usually good opportunities for traders and investors to load up as they signal good times to buy. Because you should always remember, we buy when others are fearful and we sell when others are greedy. So don't forget that. Now, let me quickly point out that this particular video and the plays that I mentioned here are for day traders or swing traders who are looking to just get in and get out of trade with a profit target of maybe 15% to 20%. It is not for those who want to invest and hold for long term. And that's why I've picked the most active, liquid, and trending US stocks right now. These are the best stocks for trading this week, and they provide ample trading opportunities throughout the week. These stocks have plenty volume and consistently move a lot up or down every day, at least from $2 and above intraday. That is within the day between its high and low. And this statistics is key for day traders most especially since it measures the intraday movement, which is what most traders are interested in. So depending on your trading style, you can pick 1 to 4 of them and trade them all week. So the first on our list this week is Robinhood with ticker symbol HOOD. Robinhood is a financial service platform and has one of the best platforms for trading US stocks. And it's expanding its features with crypto services as well. Although currently it has been removed from the Dow Jones indices, and this is likely due to its high volatile nature. And right now it's sitting at $101.93. Interestingly, this stock was trading at just $29.66 in April, just 3 months back. And as you can see on the chart, it hit an all-time high of $113.44. That is a massive 274% move, okay? Now, this is a highly volatile stock and trades over 50 million in volume daily and an average of 51 million in the last 30 days. In the past week alone, this stock has moved from a low of $97 to a high of $113. And that's more than $16 price move. And it's moved intraday between its daily low and high, at least an average of 5.4% in the last 30 days. So this is some good money here, guys. This stock has done very well considering it was just $16 just barely 11 months ago, and it has more room to go up considering its expansion with its new features on its platform. The second one is Supermicrocomputer with ticker symbol SMCI. So SMCI distributes and manufactures IT solutions and other computer products, from servers to GPUs, co-processors, power supplies, microcloud, storage, motherboards, workstations, and accessories, among others. So SMCI has achieved over 45% annual sales growth rate over the past 5 years, which has surpassed the average growth in the business service sector. And that's really great for SMCI, okay? It is currently sitting at $52.52, and it trades over 30 million in volume daily and an average volume of 39 million daily in the last 30 days. This stock was only trading at $17.25 in November 2024 and moved up to $66.44 in February 2025. That's an increase of over $49 in just 3 months. In the last 30 days, its average day range was 4.6% in intraday movements, that is, between its daily highs and lows. And in the past week, it has moved between a low of $48.78 to a high of $54.20. That is more than a $5 price range. And if you have a good entry strategy and get in at the right time, you can make some good money, okay? And next on our list is Tesla with ticker symbol TSLA. I'm sure you all know Tesla and its popular founder Elon Musk. But for those who may not know much about Tesla, Tesla designs, manufactures, and sells electric vehicles, solar energy systems, and energy storage products. And this coming week, on Wednesday, 25th of July, Tesla is actually due to release its earnings report. And it's what a lot of investors and traders are looking out for, because this will likely influence the price of Tesla to either go up or go down. Tesla is currently sitting at $305.30 per share and does over 100 million in volume daily and an average volume of 113 million in the last 30 days. Tesla reached an all-time high of $488.54 in December 2024 and fell more than 56% to its low of $214.25 in April, and has risen to a high of $367.82 in May. And that is just an increase of over $150 in just 1 month. Those of you who have been trading Tesla will know that this stock moves wild. Tesla's price moves up or down an average of $10 every day. Its average day range in the last 30 days was 4.5%, and in the past week it has moved between a low of $308.02 to a high of $330.90. That's over a $20 increase in price. This stock alone can earn you millions in such a short time, but with a good entry and exit strategy. But be warned, it is an extremely volatile stock. Just so you know, with these stocks, you can grab several dollars and make a lot of money from each move in a few minutes. For day traders, all you need is just 30 minutes per day. And if you wish, you can trade for longer hours as well. In my one-on-one coaching, I teach and show you how you can use the price action strategy to day trade the stocks. So if you want to join my one-on-one coaching program, you can click the link below in the description, okay? So the next one is Palantir Technologies with ticker symbol PLTR. Now, this is one stock I have witnessed grow from the $17 range to over $150 just within the space of 14 to 16 months. And kudos to those who have been riding with Palantir since then, because it has really done well for itself as a company and has also made some millionaires. So yes, well done. Now, Palantir is a tech service company that builds and deploys software platforms which it provides majorly to the US government and non-US government agencies. Currently sitting at $154.86 per share, it does about 50 million units in volume every day and has done an average of 76 million daily in volume in the last 30 days. It is a highly volatile stock and usually does major price swings after earnings. It recently reached its all-time high at $155.68 from its low of $66.12 in April. That's an interesting 138% rise. And just in the past week, this stock has moved from $142 to $155.68. That's over $13 change in price. And it has moved an average of 4.8% daily in intraday movements in the last 30 days, which I believe is very impressive and want to make good money with. And next on the list is Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. AMD, just like Nvidia, is another semiconductor company that operates in computing and graphics, providing desktops, notebooks, processors, and chipsets, processing units, data centers, servers, and technology for game consoles, among others. This company is gaining market share in the PC and server chip markets and taking over from Intel, who is currently experiencing declining sales and financial issues. And with the whole hype and talk around AI and the United States' plans to expand AI exports, AMD stands to benefit greatly. AMD gains strong momentum from AI and tech sector news as well. And so it does over 40 million in volume every day and has done an average volume of 54 million daily in the last 30 days. It is currently sitting at $162.12 per share. It reached its recent high of $161.96 after dropping to a low of $76.48 in April 2025. That is a 66% drop from its all-time high of $227.30. And just in the past week, it has moved from a low of $141.90 to a high of $161.96. That's a whopping $20 price movement within just 5 days. This stock moved within its low and highs in intraday at an average of 3.42% in the last 30 days. So this stock is some real good money if you play it well. The next on the list is Nvidia with ticker symbol NVDA. I believe you all know Nvidia is one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world with a market cap of over $4 trillion. And it has been able to maintain its leadership in the artificial intelligence chips industry, designing and manufacturing computer graphics processors, chipsets, and other related multimedia softwares. And it is currently sitting at $173.74 per share. Now, Nvidia happens to make our list as it is a highly volatile stock and it trades over 140 million units in volume daily and an average of 168 million daily in the last 30 days. It also usually has major price swings after earnings as well and recently reached its all-time high at $174.54 from its recent low of $86.62 in April, having an impressive rise of over 102%. As you can see it in this chart here, you can see the rise. You can see how it has moved from April to its recent high. It has moved at an average of 2.07% daily in the last 30 days, and it reached a low of $162.02 and a high of $174.25 in the past week. And that is an increase of over $12 in value. That alone is a big move and a lot of money to add to your portfolio. And the last one on the list for this week is Alphabet, the parent company of Google. So Google is due to release their second quarter earnings update on Wednesday, the 23rd of July. And that's going to be a crucial event that will likely influence the stock market and the S&P 500. Now, Google, with an estimated $93.98 billion in revenue and a market cap of over $2 trillion, is actively competing with the likes of Microsoft and Amazon in the artificial intelligence department. And Google seems to gather strong momentum from AI and tech sector news, and that's why it trades close to 40 million in volume daily. And in the last 30 days, it has traded an average volume of 39 million daily. Currently, Google is sitting at $192.17 per share and has moved between its daily lows and highs in the last 30 days, an average of 2.3%. In the past week, Google's price reached a low of $179.68 and a high of $186.42. That's a difference of over $7 in just a week. So this is another cool money to be made if you plan your entries well and get out at the right time. And just a quick reminder here, please, before you jump into any stocks, make sure you have your trading plan and stick to your rules, set tight stop loss levels, and avoid any kind of emotional imbalance that will lead to overtrading, okay? And in my next video, I will share a list of high volatility stocks that move a lot in terms of long-term average movement, as well as mid-price stocks that range between maybe $15 or $20 to $200 that move big as well. So that if you don't like how other stocks are moving, maybe because their spreads are too large or because the movement is choppy, you can decide to trade any of those ones for multiple weeks. So, which of these stocks are you watching this week? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. And I'll see you in the next video.